So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sujay the Phoenix. So in this video what we are going to see is Unity download in 2022. So actually now I've fully erased my system and reinstalled Windows 11 now because it was like really slow. So I erased my system fully and downloaded it again. So I thought let's make a video of downloading in 2022 because lots of things have changed. So first let's start by clicking the Unity hub, and this website is there. If you go and click Unity download, right, it's there. Don't click choose your Unity plus download. Click Unity hub and double click and you will get a notification. Click yes and just read it one time and give agree. And then if you want to download your Unity hub at C drive, right, you can download it, but I don't want it at C drive. I want it to be in my HDD. So I actually have an HDD here. So new volume G, and then here I've created Unity hub and Unity editor. So I'm gonna download the hub. So Unity gaming videos. So here new volume G, and I'll click Unity hub and click OK, and I'll click install. So well, this is installing. I have a lots of videos coming up soon, so make sure to see all them. So once you did it, click finish and click allow, and yeah, see, the hub is like really changed a lot. So I'll sign in my account and see you. So now it's asking where to download the Unity hub editor. So I don't want it here, so I'll change it again to my HDD. So I'll go new volume G and then Unity editor, click select folder. They've actually like changed it kind of to an Unreal kind of thing. So I think it's really awesome. Wow, they've changed it a lot, man. So if you have a license, update your license. I think I have one. So last your project location, I already created a project location. So I games in Unity here, select folder, installs here, downloads location. Okay, let this be there. And yeah, I have this license which is activated today because my license was about to expire by January, so I activated a new license. So now it's wow, is it done real fast? Okay, so yeah, I'll see you after the editor's downloaded. So guys, Unity has finished installing. So yeah, this is how to download Unity in 2022. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and join our Discord server here. So it'll be awesome. So you can join the Discord server, we can talk. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll be putting a lot of download videos because I have erased my system fully. Next is Visual Studio downloading. So it'll be coming soon. Sayonara, peace out.